Hey guys, today we will discuss about iPhone SE 2020. So let's start. The iPhone SE 2020 look like it could be the best phone ever under $400 along with its design, its body, performance, cameras, that's all punch above its price. In fact, really puts Android maker notice on in terms of delivering high quality of product in lowest possible price. It has 4.7-inch Retina HD LCD display with true tones to match the ambient lighting in the room, white colors, Dolby Visions, etc. The iPhone SE 2020 runs the iOS 13. All the great features of latest version of iOS are present in it. It has 3 gigs of RAM with 64, 128 and 256 GB of internal storage. Now, talk about its camera. In my own opinion, the camera quality is good in this price tag. The main camera is 12 megapixel that supports portrait mode and all the lighting effects. You won't get more advanced photography features like Apple's new iPhone models, but you won't be disappointed by SE's cameras either, which performs 4K video recording on 30 to 60 fps, also video recording on 1080p, perform on 120 to 240 fps. In the front, you will get your 7 megapixel of selfie camera which records 1080p video recording on 30 fps. According to its screen size, they put a battery of 1821 mAh like iPhone 8, but the important thing is that here we have 18 watt of fast charging. Apple claims 50% of charging in just 30 minutes and full charge in 100 minutes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Xhaudhry Tech. Thank you.